Press the power button to turn on the machine and let it preheat for 1 minute. Once the machine has finished preheating, first place your cup under the steam wand and run hot water to preheat the cup. Select the double shot filter basket and attach it to the portafilter. Then lock the empty filter basket into the brew head and run a rinse. After preheating, add an appropriate amount of coffee beans and adjust the grind setting. It is recommended to start with setting 15 and make fine adjustments. Place the portafilter on the grinder holder, then press the grind button once to dispense the grounds. Use a distributor to level the coffee grounds, then press them down firmly with a tamper. Try not to exceed the max marking. Lock the portafilter into the brew head. Prepare the steam. Turn on the steam. Preheat it for 3 seconds. Then turn off the steam. Press the double shot extraction button and at the same time place the milk pitcher under the steam wand to steam the milk. First, position the steam wand at a 3 o'clock or 9 o'clock angle and submerge it slightly into the milk. Then turn on the steam. When the milk expands to the groove, immediately raise the pitcher so that the steam wand is submerged 1 centimeter into the milk. Turn off the steam once the temperature reaches 60 degrees. Run the steam for some time, then remember to wipe it clean with a cloth. Now you can start creating latte art to make the perfect cup of coffee.